Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer with E-commerce Success Strategies. And if you know me on TikTok, you know I'm an oldie but goodie, and I'm here to help those over 40 be successful in this online space, especially in digital marketing. And the big program that I think is absolutely phenomenal is the Digital Growth Community. And there are actually 4 different income streams, 4 different tiers that you can get into this program with, starting at $100. And today we're going to go through what each of those tiers looks like and what is included in each one, so you have a full understanding of what the program involves. So let's get started with tier 1, which is $100. So let's look at the $100 level, which is called the Launch Pad, the Launch to Profit. So this is what is included in the Launch Pad. So everything about your online business, it talks to you about, what does it mean to earn passive income? What does it mean to earn a living online? And launch to profit in 7 days, which means they'll give you all the tools that you need to get it set up within 7 days and be ready to go and market your program. Now, most of the time, people get it set up in less than 7 days. So don't fret, because everything is step by step, and you can really get it set up and launched before that 7-day mark and get started with selling your program. Automating your business, the sales automation process, testing your automated systems. So again, step-by-step instructions, and then you can test to make sure everything that you've set up is running smoothly. Now, next is your social media, which is super important because that's where you're going to promote your programs. And most of the time you're going to show your face, but don't be afraid, because you can do it. There are tons of people out there who thought they could never do it, but they can. But there's also a faceless marketing strategy where you can actually do it without showing your face. And there are many people who've been successful at doing it that way. So don't let that scare you. But it shows you how to set up your TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and then other things that you can do to promote the program without showing your face are free ads. And there are ads that convert easily, and you can copy and paste and hit a ton of free ad sites and also get traction in that way too. So completely setting up your system in what we call system.io, and it is free. It is 100% free until you get up to a certain number of emails, of course. But that system is free, and we will show you step by step how to get all of that set up. So as you can see, that is very comprehensive for a $100 investment. So there's never an upsell. Now you can upsell to the next level of the program and buy into the next level if you choose to. But remember that when you're in the launch pad, which is the $100 value, that is the only program that you can promote. So that is one income stream that you can promote at the $100 level, which is still great, but just so you understand that. So next, let's get to the $300 program, which is called Passive Daily Pay. Now, all of these programs are a daily pay, which means as soon as you make a sale, you get paid. You get paid immediately. So there's no waiting for your paycheck. There's no waiting for your employer to pay you. You get paid immediately. Wonderful. So with the passive daily pay, you get everything that you got in the launch pad plus these additional things. So it's going to talk about the difference in an MRR and how to make sure that you're legal in reselling a program that somebody else developed, storytelling and social media. So every day within our community, we get tips and tricks on how to storytell and make sure that you connect with your audience to get them to know, like, and trust you and buy from you. So storytelling is a big part of that. Strong brand identity, helping you to stand out, because you want people, when they're scrolling, to say, oh, I remember her. I remember Jennifer, the oldie but goodie. Attracting your customers, how to copy and paste free ads, the TikTok, YouTube, Reels strategy. Pinterest strategy is also a way that you can promote your programs without showing your face too. So we show you all of these different ways to actually promote the products. Next is the $600 level, and it is called the Digital Mastery. So you have everything from the Launchpad, you have everything from the Passive Daily Blueprint, plus the Digital Mastery program. So then you would have the 3 income streams to promote. So you can see we take you through 6 figures in 6 months, setting goals, business foundations, building that email list, which is super important in this process. What is recurring income? How do you build that recurring income stream? So we're getting into more of that business mindset. And then we talk about a whole different section of affiliate marketing and how you can get started in affiliate marketing. And then back to email marketing, building that list, crafting your email strategy, and making sure that you're connecting with those customers. So you get all of those things for the $600 level. Plus, all of these levels give you access to the growth community, which is a community within what's called Kajabi. And you see posts every day of people and their wins. People post questions. There's tech calls to take you through things that you might be struggling with. There are weekly mentoring calls where you can ask questions. I mean, on and on and on. This is such a supportive community that it is well worth the investment that you're making in this program. So next is the biggie, and it is the Legacy Builders program. With the Legacy Builders program, you have access to then all 4 income streams. This is the big daddy. This is where you get everything. So you have everything from the previous 3 tiers. Then you have the Legacy Builder, which is supposed to be building a legacy for your family. So this teaches you how to create your own digital products too. So a lot of people think, well, it's a course to sell a course and I'm sick of doing that. Well, it's not a course, number one. It is a complete program. And this will also teach you how to develop your own digital products in case you want to also sell your own products instead of just this actual program. You can learn how to do your own courses, how to create a course, and then how to scale your business. Because once you get to 6 figures, you're going to have to hire some people in your business, which sounds phenomenal, right? Creating a community in school, and then what the Freedom Machine means for you. So all of those things are with the $900 Legacy Builders program. So everything you see in all of those 4 programs is included in this. So like I mentioned, you also have the digital growth community. You have access to that with any of the levels within this program. Now, the other thing is there are tons of amazing bonuses. First of all, like I mentioned, the digital growth community, there's a Canva crash course, which is going to be a course to help you create your content. Canva, there's a whole blueprint on making that $1 million in 17 months. There's a 30-day market strategy growth plan, how to start an online business, 200 digital product ideas, mindset, message, and marketing to your first million. And then, as I mentioned, this empire to faceless marketing. All of these are within our bonuses within any level of the program. So I just wanted to go through that. Tons and tons of information on my website. Please go there to get more information. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more about the digital growth community, because I'll be explaining every aspect of it through small tutorials like this. So thank you for watching, and I hope to hear your comments and questions about this amazing program.